1 Minute Slovak Lesson 9.
Welcome to 1 Minute Slovak. Volám sa Lydia.
And I'm Mark. We're here to teach you Slovak 1 minute at a time. We're going to spend around a minute learning Slovak, and in this lesson, we're learning how to ask people how they're feeling.
The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now.
A very important question in any language is, how are you? It's really useful to be able to make conversation like this with your Slovak-speaking friends and colleagues. Listen to this phrase in Slovak.
Ako sa máš?
Now, this is the informal version of the phrase which you'd use when talking to friends. Try saying, how are you, again after Lydia.
Ako sa máš?
Let's try this one more time.
Ako sa máš?
If you don't know the person you're talking to but want to ask them how they're feeling, you can say,
Ako sa máte?
try that again.
Ako sa máte?
Okay, let's learn some answers to this question. To say you're feeling well, you can say,
Mám sa dobre.
try this again.
Mám sa dobre.
Try saying I'm well one more time.
Mám sa dobre.
Now, if you're not feeling so good, then you can simply make that negative. Let's hear, I'm not feeling so good.
Nemám sa dobre.
Let's hear it again.
Nemám sa dobre.
Try saying I'm not feeling so good one more time.
Nemám sa dobre.
But hopefully you'll be feeling fantastic. To say this in Slovak, you could say,
Mám sa výborne.
of course, just as in English, there are many ways of saying this, but we'll stick to this one for just now. It means I'm feeling great. Try saying it again.
Mám sa výborne.
Try it one more time.
Mám sa výborne.
Okay, let's put this to the test. Lydia is going to ask you how you're feeling.
Ako sa máš?
Hopefully your answer was,
Mám sa výborne. Time's up. That's all for this lesson.
we really do hope that you've been enjoying these lessons and that you feel you're making progress, even if you are just spending 1 minute each time on your Slovak. In fact, it just goes to show what you can achieve in a minute. Don't forget you can get extra materials for the lessons by visiting our website on oneminute.languages.com. We'll be back again next time with the last lesson in this series. So in the meantime,
Ďakujem a dovidenia.
you have been listening to a production of the Coffee Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.